In this quick tutorial, we are installing a tandem breaker on the Nature's Generator automatic transfer switch. Step 1. Place the tandem breaker into the open slot and press down firmly until it snaps securely into place. Step 2. Connect the neutral wires to the neutral bar. Make sure each wire is fully seated in its terminal. Then tighten the screws securely to ensure a solid and reliable connection. Step 3. Connect the two hot wires to the hot terminals of the tandem breaker. Ensure each wire is properly inserted and tighten the terminals firmly to keep the connection safe and secure. And that's it, the installation is complete. Follow Nature's Generator for more power, more tips, and more clean energy content.